All right, 13, we're going to be using the critical path method again. So this one's going to be similar to number 11. So we are going to start at the end and work our way backwards down all the paths. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. 4 plus 10 gives you 14. 14 plus 18 gives you 32. And then 32 plus 1 gives you 33. And then the next path that we could take would be this way. And so 14 plus 12 gives you 26. And then 26 plus 1 gives you 27, but that's less than this one, so we aren't going to write it down. And then 26 plus 5 gives you 31. And then the only other path that we can take would be from 3 to 5. And 3 plus 5 gives you 8. All right, so looking at this, we have 3 places that we can start. And we're going to start with the biggest number. So we're going to assign task 1 to processor 1. We're going to put it right here, T1, super small, because this is the biggest number. Because this is the longest path. So then the next biggest number is going to be T4 with the 31 critical path. So we're going to give T4 to processor 2, 5, T4, cool. And then from there, we could do T6, T2, and we can't do T5. And since T2 has the bigger number up here, the critical number, we're gonna do T2 next. So we're gonna give that to processor 1. So this is T2, kind of big. Gonna be working for a while. Okay, so we have T1 done, T2 done, T4 done. Okay, so after we get done with T4, we could do T5 because we have T1 and T4 done, or we could do T6. T5 has the bigger critical number, so we're gonna do T5, and we're gonna give that to processor 2. All right, now we can't really do T3 because T2 isn't done yet. It's taking a really long time. So the next number that we could go to will be T6. Even though it's an 8 and it's less than this can't be done yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. We're gonna give T6 to processor 2. Cool. All right, now we have T5 and T2 done, which means we can do T3. So T3, we're gonna give that to processor 1. All right, this person's gonna get a break. And then we have to do T7. So T2 is going to stay on break because you give it to the first person. You give it to the higher up person first. So we're going to give T7 to processor 1. 7. And then the only thing that we have left is T8, and we have T6 done and T7 done. So we're going to give T8 also to processor 1. And that means our finishing time is going to be 1 plus 18 plus 10 So we're gonna have 20:33. The finishing time will be 33.